Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is volume 19 of the daily forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Before we start, let me use the opportunity to thank all of you for the support so far. All right, we are now at 300 subscribers. Yes, gradually we are moving. All right, we are moving gradually. So let me see a very big thank you to all of you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. All right, let's make this community grow. Let's make this community grow. I'm here to help you guys. All right, I'm really here to help you. That is why this channel was created. That is the main motive for the creation of this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, I don't know why, but I would urge that you just hit on the subscribe button and then smash the notification bell. All right, so I'll wait for you to do that. When you are done, we'll continue. Okay, I hope you are done now. Yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. All right, and don't forget to also click on the like button. All right, and let me see your comment as well. Yeah, so this is the daily forex update. Today being Wednesday, we look at what happened today, then what is yet to happen so far the next day is concerned. And tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is a big day. All right, just as you noticed, the whole of this week we've had a very quiet market. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday has been very quiet, especially with the USD pairs, because there is a big news coming our way. That is the inflation rate for the United States. So let's see what the market is yet to offer, because tomorrow is going to be big moves are going to happen on the market tomorrow. Yes, big moves are going to happen on the market. And whenever big move happens, that is what gets my interest, right? Because that is institutional sponsorship for you. Once you see them, it tells you on a long-term basis, this is where the market is heading to. All right, or this is where the big hands are moving the market. So let's see what will happen so far as tomorrow is concerned. But before we start on the chart, let's look at what is happening on the economic news calendar. So for Thursday, August 10, 2023, we have the bank holiday for Ecuador. For that one, I already made you aware in my weekly analysis that is not going to have any impact on the market, so just ignore that. We also have Euro CPI. We also have so far as Italy is concerned. All right, yeah, so that is CPI for Italy. Then we also have initial jobless claims for USD. We have jobless claims for week average, continuing jobless claims, inflation rate month over month for the month of July. We have the core inflation rate year over year for the month of July. Then we have the inflation rate year over year for the month of July. So currently inflation sits at 3%, and so it is being expected that it moves to 3.3%. So let's see what will happen. All right, yeah, so that's just that for inflation. Then we have USD CPI for the month of July, then the CPI also for the month of July. So tomorrow is going to be we are going to experience a very heavy market tomorrow. That is during the New York session. All right, because all these news are coming up during the New York Open. All right, all these news are coming up during the New York Open. So it is really going to be a very volatile market tomorrow. So you should be very careful on the market. All right, be very careful on the market. So that is just that for the economic news calendar. Let's delve into the charts. We start with the dollar index. So for the dollar index today, we had a very small movement on the market. All right, as compared to that of Tuesday. Wednesday was a small range. Yes, we had a very small range market. So going into tomorrow, I'm still bullish on the dollar index. All right, I am still bullish on the dollar index. I don't know how the CPI is going to react to the market. What I can tell you for now is I'm bullish. All right, it could be that before price moves to the upside, it can come and then take out the sell side liquidity here before it moves, or as soon as the news is being released, we'll see a straight move to the upside. All right, yes, so that is how the CPI reacts sometimes. All right, it's either it takes out a sell side liquidity or wherever price is before the news. Once the news is being released, we see a straight move to whatever it wants to move to. All right, yeah. So let's wait and see. All right, because after tomorrow there are going to be trade opportunities. All right, that is on Friday. There are going to be trade opportunities. All right, yeah. So we use Thursday to look at what the market will react, or how the market is going to react to the CPI. So that is just that for the dollar index. All right, all I can tell you is that I'm still bullish. All right, it is after tomorrow that we'll see a clear direction as to how the market is going to move, either to the upside or to the downside. But for now, I'll tell you I'm bullish on the dollar index. Let's see what is happening on GBPUSD. Yeah, so for GBPUSD, yesterday I made you aware that I will expect to see price will continue to push to the downside. But because we've had a quiet market, all right, there hasn't been any high impact news or any news driver. We've seen a very small range happening on Wednesday so far as GBPUSD is concerned. So going into tomorrow, I still expect to see GBPUSD continue to push to the downside. I'm still bearish, all right. If I'm bullish on the dollar index, expect a bearishness on GBPUSD. So currently that is my expectation so far as GBPUSD is concerned. All right, yeah. So that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. Yeah, so if I'm bullish on the dollar index, and definitely USDCAD, I should be what I should be looking for bullish prices. So as it stands now, this is how the market is. So going into tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if we see the news moving price, because these are what liquidities. All right, very exposed, very exposed. And so I wouldn't be surprised if we see price push to take out the sell side liquidity into this bullish order block you are seeing here. Then you see a move to the upside. All right, yeah. So that is going to be what I would expect to see the market as. If price will push to the upside, you should take out these relative equal lows, which is a sell side liquidity, tap into the zone right here, then we see a push to the upside. Yeah, so that is going to be my expectation so far as USDCAD is concerned. Let's look at what's happening on GBPJPY. Yeah, so for GBPJPY, I made you aware the last time that I'll be looking for the bullish prices. And so going to tomorrow, I'll expect to see price push to take out this liquidity right here and tap into this very zone before we see a push to the upside. All right, so that is going to be what I would expect to see on the market as far as GBPJPY is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for the daily forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and then smash the notification bell. Subscribe for me. Just subscribe for me, all right, and then hit on the like button too. And if you're not part of my Telegram community, check the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of the Cleveland Traders Telegram community. We are really making pips in the swing trading room. I don't know why you haven't joined yet. We are really smashing it. We are really smashing it. So do all to join. All right. Yeah. So that is just that. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.